At Smith Corona, we make labels for less than anyone else. Here is how we do it. Through a combination of selling factory direct and our state-of-the-art, vertically integrated manufacturing facility, Smith Corona drives down label costs unlike any other company in the industry. First, we source the finest raw materials from premier paper mills across the globe. We then combine that with an in-house formulated premium-grade adhesive to make the perfect label. Quality is extremely important to us. For that reason, we systematically test our product to ensure quality and consistency from label to label. Once our labels are done being made, they are packaged, sealed, shrink-wrapped, and stored in our 400,000 square foot warehouse. In all, our unique manufacturing process allows us to bypass several players in the traditional label supply chain. This one-of-a-kind business model allows Smith Corona to avoid supply chain disruptions, offer reduced lead times, and eliminate costly middleman markups. You shouldn't pay more than you need to. Smith Corona is here to make sure that doesn't happen. Low prices, great quality, and unbeatable customer service are the pillars of Smith Corona's 130-year tradition of excellence. We have now translated our unique business model to our brand new e-commerce website. In addition to our stocked product offering, we now allow our visitors to configure nearly any combination of size, adhesive, and materials to make their perfect label. At the end of the day, we are dedicated to being the ultimate trailblazer, revolutionizing the industry every step of the way. Excellence in labels isn't just what we do, it's who we are.